Ah!
You want this one too?
This is my t-shirt.
Hey, this is not for you.
Thank you.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool, mate. I do like that.
Fucking let go, you bastard. Give me my present back.
Caesar!
Chocolate for them.
Oh, the chocolates in there.
No, but it's for you. No, he's...
Let go.
Caesar! Oh my.
It's mine, man.
Give me it back.
Caesar, let go!
Oh, I have to.
Look at him! The box is. Oh, Smokey just ran out the door.
Bastard.
Mikey!
You got a present! Caesar!
Give it back.
Caesar, what you got?
Not even yours, man.
Give it back, you little shit. Are you gonna open it? Oh, those are gonna be gross when you get them back.
They'll be right there in a box.
Yeah, and they're wrapped separately. Smokey's back.
Oh,
Oh, you.
go find them and bring it to him. Is he opening it still?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think he's getting into the actual box. Yeah, he's in the chocolates.
Wait.
That's enough, boy!
Hey.
That's enough!
Hey,
Did you make it in the chocolates, boy?
are they chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's roses.